Very good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's around 6:40 in the morning. It's not that I came late today, but I started recording late because बहुत ज़्यादा लोग थे, so that's why. And yeah, it's 3rd June 2021. The weather today is just amazing because it rained a lot yesterday. So yeah, the weather today is good. So yesterday night I slept at around 2 o'clock. I was editing the previous video. So after that shot which you just saw now, I spotted a rainbow. It was a beautiful rainbow and I wanted to capture it for the vlog. So I was about to mount my phone again on the Gorilla Pod, and the phone just slipped from my hand and it fell down. And it fell down in such a way that the back glass of my phone just broke. It shattered. So after that my mind was messed, because it's just the second day of my vlogging, and this had happened. So I was really not in the mood to vlog. After that I came home, I showed my parents that this has happened. I told them how it happened. I told them I don't want to vlog today. They don't force me for anything ever. So my mom, she motivates me a lot. She told me, तू ऊपर जा थोड़ी देर टेरेस पे, माइंड फ्रेश होगा एंड व्लॉगिंग कंटिन्यू कर, बिकॉज ये डेली की बातें है, वी कांट स्टॉप देम. एंड या, शी इज़ राइट. सो या, द वेदर टुडे इज़ जस्ट more than amazing. It looks like it's gonna rain again today. As you can see over there are all black clouds. So yeah, it will rain today. I don't know what the weather forecast is for today, but yeah, it's not that hot compared to yesterday. Let's see. If it rains, it's more than good. So it's around 8:45 and I'm going to my dad's office to pick my laptop, because I have to verify my channel so that I can customize the thumbnail of my first vlog, because that was the condition for the custom template. So let's see what happens. So it's around 10:30 right now, और मॉम और मैंने जस्ट अभी ये फ़िश टैंक हमारा क्लीन किया, क्योंकि इसमें से सारे फिशेस जो है वो मर गए थे, एंड जस्ट अभी क्लीन किया. अब इसे फिल करेंगे और फिर न्यू फिशेस लेके आएंगे. these are the fishes which we got today for our tank. This one is tiger and this one is tinfoil. Yeah, tinfoil, albino tinfoil. So it's 4 o'clock now and लास्ट शॉट के बाद मैं जस्ट सो गया था बिकॉज कल रात को बहुत लेट हुआ सोने को, अराउंड 3 बजे एडिटिंग करने में टाइम लग गया था. सो अभी उठा हूँ, भूख लगी, लेट्स सी, बाहर जाता हूँ, कुछ लेके आता हूँ. सो आई विल सी यू गाइस व्हेनेवर आई पिक अप द कैमरा नेक्स्ट. आफ्टर दैट शॉट मैं जस्ट घर आया, फ्रेश हुआ, मॉम के साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइस फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्स ऑन यस्टरडेज व्लॉग. लाइक मेरे को नहीं लगा था इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा एंड इतने लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया. डीएम्स आए, व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस आए, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सब ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, सजेशंस दिए आप लोगों ने. And definitely I will work on them, and I would like to thank each and every one of you for sharing the videos, liking them, giving me feedback, suggestions, and definitely I will work on them. It has motivated me a lot. कल से आज थोड़ा कैमरा फियर कम है and definitely I will try my level best to give you quality content. I am trying to do daily vlogs. Just an experiment, and if I get the same support from you guys, I will definitely continue daily vlogs itself. So once again, thanks a lot each and everyone who has supported me throughout these days. Some of my friends, they are just too much supportive to me. Yeah, thanks a lot each and everyone. It really means a lot. Thanks a lot to my family. So once again, a really big thank you to each and every one of you for liking the video, sharing it, subscribing as well. So in case for any reason if you like this vlog and if you have seen it till here, you would have definitely liked it. So please hit the like button down there and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon for all the updates and next videos. It will be mostly daily videos itself. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. That's all for today guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.